Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you today probably one of the most easiest ways you can make money online through the Amazon Associates program. And I want you to stick around until the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you a very easy and practical example on how you can get a lot of sales on your Amazon affiliate link and really get the commissions rolling in. Now I know that you guys have probably seen a lot of videos on the Amazon program and you're thinking, isn't it overkill? Why people are making videos on this is because it really is an easy way to make money online. I mean, the Amazon store, you've got access to tens and thousands, hundreds of thousands of different products that you can promote for free and literally make easy commissions by just sharing your link around on Facebook business groups, different groups on social media within that niche. So for example, if you're selling computer equipment through the Amazon Associates program, then what you'll do is you'll advertise your products that you're promoting on the different groups within that niche on social media. I really hope that this video will help you guys. Leave a like, comment down below what you think of Amazon Associates, and if you're new, subscribe to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online and succeed in your online business. Also a reminder of the Bitcoin giveaway that I'm running. About 2-3 videos back, I said that I would give $5 of Bitcoin away to the subscriber that really shows the most support in the comments in my videos over the next 3 or 4 videos, and I kind of have a good idea of who's been sort of commenting the most, really showing support, showing some love on the channel. So I'm going to announce the winner in my next video, so stay tuned for that, and let's get straight into the video. Here's the reason I recommend the affiliates marketing program with Amazon, because it's a great platform for beginners. It's very simple. Obviously, some affiliate marketing campaigns or models, you've got to have some sales or marketing experience, and I'm talking like cold sales, cold calls, cold advertising. You've got to have experience in that. But with Amazon Associates, you don't need any of that experience at all, which is really cool, and it's a great way to start in the affiliate marketing world and really get some experience. So let's say, for example, if you like an affiliate on ClickBank or one of those platforms, you need to have some sales knowledge. How to take a cold advert and convert that into a warm sale. So that's the nice thing about Amazon. You don't need any experience. It's really for beginners, and it is a fantastic and easy way to make money online, because as I say, you have access to thousands and thousands of products. All you have to do is you've got to get people from one place to another, and that is by providing your special link and funneling traffic to your Amazon store or your affiliate store. Amazon keeps what you call a 24-hour cookie. Now what this basically is, it means that when somebody clicks on your link or your referral link to the Amazon product, and let's say, for example, they're not interested in the product that you're promoting, but they then go on to Amazon and they want to get something else. For example, hey, I really needed a hard drive for my PC lately, so I'm going to go look on Amazon for that. And for every sale they make with under 24 hours on the Amazon store, you will get commissions for all those sales. So the nice thing is, you don't only get commissions for the product you're promoting. Your link lasts for 24 hours after your prospect has clicked on your referral link, any product that they purchase on the Amazon store. So your job is to get people to Amazon, and Amazon will do all the hard work for you. So you literally just send out your link and start seeing the commissions. And the nice thing about Amazon is you can make money on products that you're not very interested in. So let's say, for example, you're into audio equipment, my microphone. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link into the description to the microphone that I have, or that I'm using in my videos, my red microphone that everybody talks about. Go check it out and go have a look at how it works, how the Amazon affiliate program works through that link. You never know, you can get one of these microphones for yourself and really improve your audio quality. So did you see what I did there? I promoted the most basic of product that I just brainstormed that I'm using, because I know a lot of YouTubers really want to improve their audio quality and their general quality on their content, obviously to get more views and subscribers. Just like that, I promoted a microphone. It's that easy. Now people will maybe click on the link in the description and go check the product out, and maybe they will also have a look at other products similar to the microphone in the Amazon store, which you can get commissions for. So what you can also do is you can review products, whether it's on your YouTube channel, your e-commerce store, your blog, whatever it may be. You can promote any sort of product, put links in the descriptions, and people will go and click on this. On your Amazon affiliate store, I just created my account today just to have a look what it looks like, maybe give it a try. You can see what you've been earning over your earning overview over the last couple of days in the last month, which is really cool. You can export this as a CSV style. You can browse for a product on the store, get your own link. So if you want to promote a product, you'll obviously create your account on Amazon Associates, which is pretty easy. Just go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can then go to product linking, where you'll go to your product links. So this is where you get your specific links for your products or your Amazon store. So if you want to search a product, for example, let's say a graphics card. Okay, I'm gonna go a GTX 2080 Ti graphics card. So then you click go, and a whole bunch of products will pop up for different graphics cards on Amazon. So let's obviously choose the cheapest one. This one here at $7.79. You can get your link. It will then pop up a page like this. You can either have a text and image link, you can have a text only, or you can have an image only. So I generally like the text only. So what you do is you can go to text only, and then you can click on the short link tab. You can then copy this link here, for example, and then what you can do is, obviously with my niche example in this being graphics cards, gaming and that sort of thing, you can then go to Facebook and go gamers group. You can search on Facebook. So let's say, for example, this one here, gamers group. What you can do is you can then ask, you're obviously going to ask to join the group. So I'm not obviously in the group, so I'm just going to show you what you can do. So once you're in the group, you can make a post. So you can go, hey guys, there is a great special running on NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics cards at only $770. Say on Amazon, limited offer only. You can put your link down, and then you can say something like international shipping worldwide. Now I'm sure on a group with 165, nearly 166,000 members, at least a couple of people will click on your link and be interested in a graphics card like this at $770. So it's really a great way to just go onto the different Facebooks, promote products in your niche. Amazon will do all the hard work for you. You just start seeing the commissions rolling in on your back-end office here on the Amazon Associates. And you can also run promotions such as featured promotions. Amazon Bounty Program is that as well. You've got a whole bunch of tools. You can get cool banners on products like markdown from $129 to $99, and you've also got a whole bunch of tools. You can link different accounts. You can link your builder plugin for WordPress, so like an Amazon WordPress plugin, so you can link this to your own website if you've got your own website, Stripe Publisher Studio, and you've also got an API where you can integrate products into your website. You've also got reports where you can, I suppose, export and print your earnings in a CSV file or an Excel format. And you've also got the Amazon help where you can go to the resource center, operating agreements, advertising fee schedules as well as program policies, discussion boards, and the contact page on Amazon. And in your account settings, you've got a whole bunch of options that you can select, whether it's your payment history, choosing your payment methods, your tax, and all of that important stuff. And you've also got a payment history tab, which is important. You can print that and save that for filing purposes. But this video was just basically a practical example to show you guys how you can make money on Amazon quite easily through free traffic, through just sharing links and getting sales on Amazon and getting your commissions ultimately. So I really hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I hope for those wanting to start with affiliate marketing that this video has helped you, because it's a great opportunity for you to start as a beginner and to really gain some experience in the affiliate marketing world. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like down below, comment down below what you think of the Amazon affiliate program, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.